There are several international organizations that government of countries around the world that promote a social and economic growth. Ito ang institusyon na tumutugon sa mga pandaigdigang mahalagang isyu, pagpapaunlad ng kapayapaan at pandaigdigang pagtatag ng demokrasyon. Ilan sa organisasyon ang International Court of Justice, also known as the main judicial organ of the UN. It decides to disputes between countries. The NAFTA or North American Free Trade Agreement. It is to encourage economic activity, to eliminate all tariff and non-tariff barriers of trade and investments. And last, the NATO or the North Atlantic Treaty Organization is an international political and military organization with the aim of guaranteeing the freedom and security of its members through political means. Ang global politics ang nag-uugnay ng mga bansa at iba't ibang organisasyon. Ang UN is the lead of all organization in the world. It is intergovernmental organization that aim to maintain peace and security. The term UN ay nalikha ng dating US President Franklin D. Roosevelt noong 1942 na nagsimula noong October 24, 1945. Nagsisimula ito sa 50 representatives mula sa iba't ibang bansa. Maintaining international peace and security became the central mission of the UN after the war. Up to this day, the UN is the major force in governing interstate relations. According to the UN, peace and security are maintained by working to prevent conflict. The UN also has what is known as the Security Council, and the 5 permanent members are the United States, Britain, Russia, China, and France. Sila ang nagpapasya kung ano ang gagawin kapag ang dalawa o higit pang bansa ay nakikipaglaban o malapit na sa away. Sinusubukan din nilang magbigay lagi ng pahintulot sa pagitan ng dalawang panig. The UN is not all about fights. It has a program that's called United Nations Children's Emergency Funds. Their primary goal is to help children around the world. They collect funds to distribute to those people na nasa hirap ng buhay at sa may mga sakit. And also, they provide education in areas na walang school. United Nations Children's Emergency Funds ay layunin na protektahan ang karapatan ng bawat bata upang matulungan ang pangunahing pangangailangan. The UN is to protect human rights through different organizations. Simula noong 1948, ang mga karapatang pantao ay nadala sa larangan ng internasyonal na batas. Ang iba't ibang mekanismo ay ang UN High Commissioners for Human Rights o OCHR is to ensure universal enjoyment of all human rights, to remove obstacles to their effective implementations, and to enhance coordinations and cooperations of human rights. The UN Development Group Human Rights Mainstreaming Mechanism, it aims to strengthen coordinated UN responses to requests from member states. Mayroon ding mga legal na instrumento na tumutulong sa mga samahan tulad ng International Bill ng mga karapatang pantao na binubuo ng 3 legal na dokumento. The UN is being criticized as being weak and unable to stop wars. The NATO or the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, it is an intergovernmental military alliance. It aims to protect the people and territory of its member. Ang kasunduang ito at ang internasyonal na samahan na batay sa ideya ng samang-samang seguridad. The NATO was created after the Second World War, mostly during the beginning of the Cold War. Sa pagbagsak ng Soviet Union noong 1990s, ang dating estado ng Soviet tulad ng Poland at Croatia ay sumali sa NATO na mas nanganganib ang Russia sa kasalukuyan. Ang United States sa ngayon, ang pinaka-advanced na militar sa buong mundo, ay binubuo ng karamihan ng mga puwersa at operasyon ng NATO.
Non-governmental organization NGOs. It is considered as a non-governmental organization NGOs. NGOs are not tied to any countries. This has allowed them to operate. Briefly put out, that word they provide emergency relief such as food, water, and medical supplies for those whose home or town have been destroyed by disaster or war. They also monitor the treatment of prisoners of war and go to the conflict to make sure that no war crimes are taking place. In addition to the Red Cross, these are many NGOs dedicated to helping people around the world. Doctor Writing Borders provide pre-emergency healthcare and disaster areas. Non-governmental organization NGO, voluntary group of individual organization, usually not affiliated with any government, that is formed to provide services or to advocate a public policy. By most definition, political parties and criminal or violent guerrilla organizations are not considered NGO. Global economy. The global economy refers to the interconnected worldwide economic activities that take place between multiple countries. A specific example to expand global economic influence is the use of IMF and the World Bank in the forcing government reform in a foreign country. Furthermore, the regional economic development efforts focus on expanding free trade and market liberation. The world economy, or the global economy, is the economy of all human of the world, referring to the global economic system, which include all economic activities which are conduction, consumption, economic management, work, general exchange of financial value, and trade of goods and services.